Ditch keys, not your sanity. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock Plus Keypad is the front door flex you deserve. Still playing hide-and-seek with your house keys like it's 1999? Stuck juggling grocery bags, toddlers, and coffee while your deadbolt mocks you? Welcome to the chaos of old-school locks, where lost keys, clunky hardware, and "did I lock the door" anxiety rule your life. You're wasting time fumbling and stressing when you could be breezing in like a boss. Productivity? Zapped. Peace of mind? Missing. Motivation? Yeah, that's locked out too. Every second you wrestle with that ancient lock is another reminder your smart home dreams are being blocked by a dumb door. Something's gotta change, and fast. Let's get real, this door drama is escalating. You're texting neighbors to check your door, hiding keys like it's mission impossible, and giving access to your Airbnb guests with crossed fingers and zero visibility. The stress? Unmanageable. The risk? Sky high. You're sacrificing sanity and security trying to micromanage entry like it's 2005. Between vacation renters, dog walkers, and forgetful teenagers, your door's a 24/7 circus. And don't even start on the after-hours lockouts are awkward, "can you let me in?" calls. Face it, your front door's turned into a high-stakes, low-tech liability, and your lifestyle deserves better. Introducing the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock Plus Keypad Bundle, your instant escape hatch from lock chaos. This sleek matte black genius turns your boring old deadbolt into a high-tech guardian angel. Built-in Wi-Fi means no clunky bridge. The August app becomes your remote control command center, lock, unlock, check status, and grant access from literally anywhere. Oh, and the keypad? Code-based entry that lets guests, dog walkers, and phoneless kids walk in without calling you. Works with Alexa, Google, Apple HomeKit, because your door should be as smart as the rest of your life. Setup takes 10 minutes. Sanity returns instantly. No more panic locking from your driveway. No more emergency key handoffs. Just walk up, and it unlocks like it's been reading your mind, thanks, geofencing. Need the door to lock after you leave? It does that too. Watch real-time access logs, get notified the moment someone enters, and finally relax. Whether you're hosting, renting, parenting, or just hate keys, this bundle simplifies everything. It's smart security that feels stupidly easy. No more app installs for guests. No more lost key drama. Just streamlined access, total control, and a front door that finally works for you, not against you. Let's not overcomplicate this. You could keep gambling with keys and risking your peace of mind, or you could unlock the lifestyle upgrade you've earned. The August Smart Lock Plus Keypad is your ticket to modern convenience, security, and I got this confidence. No tools. No tech headaches. Just your home, working smarter. Buy it now, install it today, and feel the upgrade every time you come and go. Don't let your door be the weakest link. Click that add to cart and upgrade your entry game, your future self will high-five you.